Meet ClientsLocator, the most powerful drag-and-drop website builder, and a funnel or landing page builder with built-in A/B testing and web forms. Oh, and surveys too. Not to mention built on the powerful Google Cloud ecosystem for fast speeds. But wait, that's not all. We also have tons of other features that can literally replace 15 or more of your software subscriptions with just ClientsLocator. Drag and drop email builder? Check. SMS marketing with drip campaigns? Check. Reputation management? Check. Two-way text messaging, just like a cell phone with pictures as well. A unified conversations inbox for email, SMS, social media integration like Facebook Messenger, Instagram DMs, Google My Business Chat, website chat widget, all in one single unified conversations inbox. Isn't that awesome? Well, we got a lot more. Text to pay, unlimited calendars, appointment meeting reminders, automatic review requests, powerful and customizable workflow automations engine allowing you to set up almost any rules to automate almost anything. Ringless voicemail drops, opportunities pipelines, analytics dashboard, reporting, automated calls, call recording, phone dialer, missed call, text back. But that's still not all. The list keeps on going. ClientsLocator is truly the ultimate all-in-one sales and marketing CRM built just for small businesses just like yours. ClientsLocator. Automate your business.